Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. So, do you have a crime that you committed and or that you're being prosecuted for? They've brought you into court and now you're not sure what to do? Don't just plead guilty, okay? Because you're going to get some, lawyer who will tell you, some criminal lawyer who will tell you, look, you plead guilty to this, you'll get a lot less time in jail, and things will go smoothly and you'll never win if you don't plead guilty type thing. But the problem is that they're not taking into account the immigration consequences of your plea. What is the use of getting a better sentence and less time with a guilty plea to only be transferred to immigration detention, deported, and maybe deported for the rest of your life or 20 years, something to that effect? Obviously, if they were to tell you the reality under immigration law of what you're pleading to, a lot of people would not plea, okay, to that particular crime. Sometimes a little change in immigration law, little change in the plea will have a major impact in immigration law. So, number one, whenever you're thinking of pleading, no matter what the criminal attorney says, you need to contact an immigration attorney and they need to advise by reviewing the plea agreement, your history, your immigration history, and discussing it with the criminal attorney, because that's the only realistic way you're going to get what help you need and to minimize the effects under immigration law. You might still be put into deportation after, but because of a proper plea, you might be able to win the deportation proceedings and you might be able to go home that day rather than getting a removal order and being deported from the United States. So it's critically important to make sure that with any guilty plea that you've contacted a qualified, experienced immigration attorney before you plead guilty so that your rights are properly protected. Okay.